Hello everyone, welcome to the another very important session in which we will be discussing some more important concepts and the points. So I hope today's session discussion will surely be helping you to know about these important things and will be helping you to do the best preparation for your upcoming exam. So guys, before starting the discussion about these important concepts, I'm quickly going to let you know about the important points, like the one which is regarding the latest offer which is going on Unacademy, as per which you will be able to save more and you can get the discount in the total subscription amount. But today is the last day to grab this offer, so if you don't want to miss it, you can take the subscription today. And the 30th June is going to be the last date, okay, to grab this offer. To grab this offer, you just need to use and apply the code Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen. By using and by applying this code, you will be able to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Other than this, if you want to know what are the benefits you will be getting if you will be taking the Unacademy Plus or the Iconic subscription, in that case, you can have a look at this slide. Like, all the benefits have been shown here. Depending on which one you find more beneficial for yourself, you can take that subscription and start your preparation under the guidance of top educators today. Even in upcoming days, so many new courses by the top educators will be starting on Unacademy, which will be helping you a lot to take your preparation to a very good level. Also guys, even if there is any of your friends who want to take the subscription, you can share this information with them to let them know about the code that is Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen, because to grab the offer anybody has to use the code, and by using and by applying the code they will be able to get the discount. Now let's go over the important discussion we will be doing today. So the point is, the students, those who are starting their preparation, they are mostly going to have the question that how they should actually do the preparation, because if they follow the reference books, it's going to be too much time taking process to cover up the topics, to know about the important concepts and the points. So how they should go ahead, do they need to follow some notes, do they need to follow a particular approach so that they can have a better preparation for the exam? So let me just tell you guys, yes, there is a way you can follow, and that's what we will talk about today. So that is going to be, if you are going to start your preparation for the upcoming exam, for example, you are going to start today. Okay, so you are preparing any particular subject, we can take for example quantum mechanics. Now if you will follow the reference books for quantum mechanics, you will find there are so many things in the book. You will have so many points will be mentioned, the theoretical statements will be there. Okay, like in our topic there will be so much clear. But if you want to consider like, okay, I just want to go and focus on more points which are most expected, okay, instead of focusing on everything, each and every line written there and all. So what you can do, you can either use the highlighter to keep on highlighting the points which you find like, oh, this is the fact, this is the formula, this is the condition, this is the point from where they can form the question and they can ask it to you. So either you can keep on highlighting if you are having the hard copy, or otherwise even if you are having the soft copy of the book or the notes, you can keep on highlighting the things on your system, means laptop or any such system, right? Other than this, if I'm going to talk about the next part here, that's going to be, you can keep your formula notebook, concept notebook, or the short notes notebook with you, and you can keep on updating the important notes there, so that you will not have to go through everything together later on, and you will simply be having everything with you, and you will be able to save your time that way as well. So you need to understand what is important. Yes, in the one go it may take a little time whenever first time you are preparing these things, but when you will get to know like, okay, this is the requirement of the exam and this is what is actually important part for the exam, you will keep on identifying and keep on noting it down, right? You don't have to spend too much time on the statements which are not related to the facts, concepts, or the formula section, right? So focus more on the points which are going to be much more important and from where directly you can expect the questions to be there in the exam. So quantum mechanics, classical, condensed matter, or nuclear, atomic, for any such subject, this type of preparation you need to do. while you are focusing on or following the reference books, notes, or you are attending the sessions, okay, this technique can work for you. While it's more easy to do the preparation with the notes and the live sessions because you directly get to know about the points which are important and from where there are great chances for you to expect the questions, right? So I hope guys each and everything is now clear to every one of you and you got to know that what you need to do. But additional tip here is whatever subject, how many days you have done the preparation, regular revision is must to do the thing. Okay, must to do regularly means even if you have prepared for 100 days now, you have to keep on doing the preparation today for all those 100 days. At least just go through them, because if you are doing the regular revision, it will not be taking that much time till today. Okay, you will quickly be able to revise, go through all those points, and it will not be that much time taking. So I hope now everything is clear to every one of you guys. And again, I'm just quickly going to show you the slide regarding the latest offer which is going on Unacademy and which will be helping you to save more and to get the discount in the total subscription amount. So you just have to use and apply the code Anjali Live as mentioned here on the screen to get the discount in the total subscription amount. And you can even share this information with your friends too, because this is just a limited period offer and it will be ending on 30th June. Okay, and in upcoming days so many new courses by the top educators will also be starting on Unacademy. So if you don't want to miss it, take your subscription today and start your preparation under the guidance of top educators today. Thank you everyone.